Samyukta arrives at her grandparents' countryside home, greeted by warm hugs and smiles. She learns the importance of family and the peaceful rhythm of life, a lovely break from the busy city. In the kitchen, Samyukta helps her grandma bake honey cakes. She learns patience and precision and discovers how honey comes from the hard work of bees in her grandfather's beehives. Samyukta and Grandpa walk through the garden, where she learns to care for plants. Watering the flowers and vegetables, she understands how time and care help things grow. On a quiet afternoon, Samyukta reads with her grandparents. She learns the joy of storytelling and the importance of sharing knowledge with the next generation. Samyukta strolls through the garden with her grandparents, learning to appreciate nature's beauty. She hears the stories behind the plants, gaining respect for traditions and sustainability. As summer ends, Samyukta hugs her grandparents goodbye. She's learned so much and now understands how love and family traditions shape the memories we cherish. Remember, kids, the best memories are made with the ones we love. Take time to learn, share, and treasure those moments together.